In this video, I'll be covering question 3, part A from the 2023 AP Calculus AB free response, no calculator allowed portion of the test. I cover parts A, B, C, and D all in their own individual videos, so if you want to see my other solutions, please check out my other videos. Alright, so the first thing to do on this problem, I always tell people, is like almost just don't let yourself get overwhelmed by everything that you're looking at. Really, this problem is a lot of pretty straightforward material, but when you first hit a page-long math problem on an AP Calc test, it definitely can like throw you for a loop at first. So looking at part A here, they're giving us a slope field down below for this specific equation, and what they want us to do is sketch the solution curve and just make sure it goes through the point 0, 5. Well, they give us the point 0.05 down below here. That's marked on here. So that's going to be our starting point for drawing this. And all you want to do as you're drawing these things out is just sort of follow the slope curves as you come through here. And don't, if it's not going down, don't go down. I start at 0.5 and then I'm just following these lines. So it's going up, 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 up. And then I eventually hit that 0 point, and this thing's just going to zero out like that. They're not going to get super technical with you on your accuracy at each point. You just want to make sure it generally looks like that. I could have drawn a graph that looks like that. I could have drawn a graph that looks something like that, just as long as you're sort of heading towards this virtual horizontal asymptote right there. Anything that's got a concave down shape and levels off as you hit that 0 line up at the top would have been a good answer and would have gotten you not a lot of points, but 1 point, and any point's a good point. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.